Derek Wheeliams. In my opinion, he has one of the most boring names, or at least one of his names is boring. Hey, and the reason I'm saying that is because, early, when he was, first released in 2021, early Walmart new listings name him as Tom Piston Porter, which I think is who suits him a lot more and is a lot more creative. You know. What else to say about him? He's a reporter, of course. He's seen in Cars 1. And, here's a bit of trivia about him. In the movie, he appears in Radiator Springs, upon finding Lightning McQueen. However, when McQueen gets word about Chick in California, a reporter with an identical microphone paint job about him appears. Yeah. And I assume the model is the same as well. That Chick report was probably recorded live, I assume. There's something to think about. Oh. Even I don't know that one. Still, why don't we have a closer look at him, shall we? This is a 2024 variant of him, though he, as I previously mentioned, he was also released in 2021. Both of which were released in Thailand, so it doesn't really make a difference, which year you get. We've got very big 4-spoke rims, which I feel could have been made a little smaller, and I completely understand if it was movie accurate, but I just wish they were made a little smaller. It's got no number plate, for whatever reason. Maybe Mattel forgot to add it on. Hold on. If you guys have got a Derek Wheeliams and yours has got a number plate, please tell me in the comments below, please. I want to know if it's a defect on this one, or if the one with the number plate's a defect. Still, it's got door handles, which loads of people have been wondering why the cars in cars have door handles. That's a mystery for another day then, isn't it? Wing mirrors, which, I understand. Not really as shocking as door handles, are they? If you know what I mean. So it's got a grille, big headlights, everything's over proportioned on him. Or some things are, at least. What are your thoughts on him? Tell me in the comments below. But even still, have a great day, folks!